Here we are on a beautiful Sunday morning here in the great state of Washington in my America, which my family's lived here for, I don't know, 100 and something years. We came from Germany. But last night I put the radiator in place close to where I want it. And I've taken my hose here and stretched it out, and I want to see if the heat will kind of get it hot and soft, and then I can stick this down in here. So I'm going to put on the package compartment and the front wheel. I'm going to leave all my little wheel balancing for a later date. I thought I could get away with it, sneak it in, get it easy, but it's not going to work that good. With the windscreen here, I'm going to use these holes. I know where these go. Right above it, I'm going to build myself a bridge between these two lines, going all the way over to here to the other side, of styrofoam. So when I put the windscreen on the radiator, I will have a custom shelf like this. It'll go all the way around one side to the other, and so airflow, once it goes through here, especially when I'm really going fast, will go right through the radiator to each side. The right, or that's the left, and then the right over there. I'm really trying to get the job done. There's going to be a thunderstorm tonight. I mean, I'm not going to get it done today at all, but slowly but surely. I haven't ridden her in 2 years because I've been so busy this slave driver bullshit job where all they want to do is work you to death. That's what I say to anyone out there, to all you young people: get yourself a union job. Otherwise, you're going to be worked to death. Whatever it is, have a union back you. Alright. And it's about, I'd say, I don't know, 8 o'clock in the morning. It's really nice out. My wife bought me 2 tomato plants. And I'm going to plant them in my garden in the back. It doesn't look like a garden, but it is back there. The birds are singing. And of course it's going to be a thunderstorm today, but I'm out here and I'm shirtless. You can't, thank God you can't see me, but I'm going to get a little bit of suntan. Helps with my old joints. Okay, carry on.